Good morning, students. Welcome to online video class. This is 9th standard chemistry, unit 14, acids, bases, and salt acid. In previous class, already discussed what is acid and classification of acid. Once again, recall what is acid. Acid is a sour taste substance. Acid is sour taste substance. All sour taste substances are called as acids. According to Arrhenius theory, acid is a substance which furnished H plus ions or H3O plus ions in aqueous solution. Acid is a substance which furnished H plus ions or H3O plus ions in aqueous solution. Aqueous solution. This is acid definition. All acids are gives what taste? So taste or taste. Already discussed classification of acid. Acids are four way to different type of classification. First based on source, second one based on basicity, third one based on ionization, fourth one based on concentration. Based on source, acid can be classified into two types. One is organic, another one is inorganic acid. Another way of classification based on basicity. Based on basicity, acid can be classified into three types. One is monobasic acid, dibasic acid, tribasic acid. Third way of classification based on ionization. One is strong acid, another one is weak acid. Fourth way of classification of acid is based on ionization. One is concentrated acid, another one is dilute acid. This is classification of acid. Today we are learn about another topic of acid is properties of acid. Properties of acid. The first property is they have sour taste. Sour taste. Already we know acids are which taste. Sour taste. Sour taste. The second property of acid is their aqueous solution conduct electricity since they contains ions. In aqueous solution, all acids present in aqueous solution they conduct electricity. What is the reason? In aqueous solution, the aqueous solutions are contains ions. Any ions. Ions are easily conduct electricity. The third property is acid turns blue litmus paper change into red. Litmus paper used for identification of acid. The blue litmus paper change in red color means the substance is what? Acid. Next property. Acids react with active metals. Active metals. To give hydrogen gas. Hydrogen gas. What is the hydrogen gas formula? H2. H2. Acid react with active metals. For example, magnesium and zinc is the active metal. Active metals. Magnesium symbol Mg. Mg, the magnesium metal react with acid. The first acid is sulfuric acid. Sulfuric acid formula H2SO4. H2SO4. The magnesium react with SO4. Magnesium react with SO4 to form MgSO4. MgSO4. The remaining bending in H2. This is what gas? Hydrogen gas. So acid react with active metal gives hydrogen gas. Hydrogen gas. The second example, zinc. Zinc metal react with hydrochloric acid. Hydrochloric acid. Zinc react with chlorine to form ZnCl2. ZnCl2. And release hydrogen gas. Release hydrogen gas. All gaseous substances are indicate above arrow mark. Above arrow mark. The above arrow mark indicates gaseous substance. Gaseous substance. Down the arrow mark indicate the substances are precipitated. Substances are precipitated. So every acid react with active metal to release hydrogen gas. Hydrogen gas formula H2. Next two properties. Acid react with metal carbonate. Acid react with metal carbonate and metal hydrogen carbonate to give carbon dioxide. Carbon dioxide. Every acid, each and every acid react with metal carbonate or metal hydrogen carbonate to give the carbon dioxide gas. Carbon dioxide gas. See example. Calcium, sodium carbonate. Sodium carbonate formula Na2CO3, Na2CO3 react with hydrochloric acid to form 2 NaCl and H2O and raised carbon dioxide. Carbon dioxide formula CO2. Carbon dioxide is one of the gaseous substance. So above arrow mark indicate the substance is gases. Another example, sodium hydrocarbonate, sodium hydrogen carbonate, NaHCO3, sodium bicarbonate formula NaHCO3. The NaHCO3 react with HCl to form NaCl and H2O and water and carbon dioxide. So every acid react with metal carbonate and metal hydrogen carbonate to give carbon dioxide gas. The another property of acid is acid react with metallic oxide to give salt and water. Metal combined with oxygen, this compound is said to be metallic oxide. So acid react with metallic oxide. Acid example, any acid example, H2SO4, sulfuric acid, one of the acid. This acid react with metallic oxide. What metallic acid? Calcium oxide, CaO. Calcium oxide formula CaO. The CaO react with H2SO4. The oxygen react with H2 to form a water. And remaining substances are Ca and SO4. Ca and SO4 combine to form CaSO4. So as a react with metallic acid to give salt and water. CaSO4 is a salt and H2 is a water. So acid react with calcium oxide. The oxygen react with H2 to form a water, and Ca and SO4 combine to form a salt. CaSO4 is the calcium sulfate is the one of the salt substance. The last property is acid react with bases. Acid reacts with bases to give salt and water. For acid example HCl react with base. Base example NaOH, sodium hydroxide formula NaOH. HCl react with NaOH. The Na react with Cl to form a NaCl. NaCl is a salt, and H and OH combine to form water. Water formula H2O. So any acid react with base to give salt and water. This is one of the what type of reaction? Neutralization reaction. Every neutralization reaction gives what? Salt and water. Important 2 more question. What is known as a neutralization reaction? The acid react with base. Acid react with base to give salt and water. This reaction is known as neutralization reaction. These are the properties of acids. Let's see uses of salt, uses of acids. The first acid uses is sulfuric acid. Already we know in lower section already we learn sulfuric acid is called king of chemicals. Sulfuric acid formula H2SO4. H2SO4 is called as king of chemicals. Because it is used to why sulfuric acid called king of chemicals? Because it is used in preparation of many other compounds. So it is used in car batteries also. This is uses for sulfuric acid. The second use of acid is hydrochloric acid formula HCl. The HCl is used as a cleansing agent in toilets. Third acid is citric acid. The citric acid is used in preparation of effervescent salt and food preservative. The fourth acid is nitric acid. Nitric acid formula HNO3. The nitric acid is used in manufacture of fertilizers, dyes, paints and drugs. Nitric acid used for manufacture of fertilizer, dyes, paints and drugs. Next acid is oxalic acid. This oxalic acid is used to clean iron and manganese deposit from quartz crystal. Clean the manganese deposition from quartz crystals. It is also used in bleach for wood and removing black stains. Black stains. And also used for bleach for wood and removing black stains. Black stains. The next acid name is carbonic acid. Carbonic acid. This carbonic acid used in aerated drinks. Aerated drinks. The last uses of acid is tartaric acid. Tartaric acid. This tartaric acid is one of the constituents of baking powder. Baking powder. One of the part of present in baking powder. Baking powder. These are the uses of acids. Very important 5-mark question. Uses of acid. Uses of acid. One more question is what is which acid is called as king of chemical? Sulfuric acid. Sulfuric acid. What is the formula of sulfuric acid? H2SO4. H2SO4. Let's see bases. According to Arrhenius theory, bases are one of the substance. Bases are substance that ionized in water to form hydroxyl ion. Hydroxyl ion. What is the formula of hydroxyl ion? OH minus. OH minus. Base is a substance. The substance dissolved in water to give the hydroxyl ion. Hydroxyl ion formula OH minus. The OH minus ions give substance are called as bases. This is Arrhenius theory definition. They are some metal oxide which gives salt and water on reaction with acid. Some metal oxide reaction with salt and water on reaction with acids. These are also called as bases. These are all called as bases. Bases that are soluble in water are called alkalis. Some bases are soluble in water. So, soluble bases are called as alkalis. Important one more question. Soluble bases are called as alkalis. A base react with an acid to give salt and water only. This reaction is called as already learned. This is what type of reaction? Neutralization reaction. Acid react with the base to give salt and water. This reaction is called neutralization reaction. For example, zinc oxide ZNO. Zinc oxide formula is ZNO. React with HCl. HCl is a acid. ZNO is a base. It gives salt, zinc chloride and water. So every acid react with the base to form salt and water. This is neutralization reaction. Similarly, sodium hydroxide ionizes in water to give hydroxyl ion and thus get dissolved in water. So it is called as alkalis. Sodium dissolved in water, sodium hydroxide formula NaOH. It is dissolved in water with ionized Na plus and OH minus. Na plus and OH minus. Bases contains one or more replaceable oxide and hydroxyl ion in a solution. Already we learned hydrogen. Acids are contains one or more hydrogen ion. But bases contains one or more replaceable oxide and hydroxyl ion. In a solution. Bases contains one or more replaceable amount of oxide and hydroxyl ion. These are ions in aqueous solution. This is bases. Let's see. Do you know? All alkalis are bases, but not all bases are alkalis. For example, sodium hydroxide formula NaOH and KOH potassium hydroxide are alkalis, whereas aluminum hydroxide formula AlOH tries and zinc oxide formula ZnOH tries all bases. What is the reason? Already we know water soluble bases. See this paragraph. Bases that are soluble in water are called alkalis. So, water soluble bases are called alkalis. So, all alkalis are called bases, but all bases are not called alkalis. What is the reason? Some bases are not dissolved in water, so are dissolved in some other solvent. So water soluble bases are only called alkalis. So sodium hydroxide, NaOH and KOH are soluble in water, so it is called as alkalis. And aluminum hydroxide, AlOH tris and ZnOH tris are not soluble in water, so these are called as bases. This is differentiate between alkalis and bases. So all alkalis are called bases, but not all bases are called alkalis. See this tabular column. This tabular column indicates ions formed by bases in water. Bases in water. First base calcium oxide. Calcium oxide formula CaO. Molecular formula CaO. Ions formed Ca2 plus and O2 minus. O2 minus. O2 minus. The number of replacement moment of hydrogen or oxide ion is 1. So only one oxygen contains. So replacement of oxide ion is 1. The second base is sodium hydroxide. Sodium hydroxide. What is the molecular formula of sodium hydroxide? Na2O. Na2O. The ions formed Na plus and O2 minus. The number of replacement oxide is 1. The third base name is potassium hydroxide. Potassium hydroxide formula KOH. KOH. Ions formed from KOH is K plus and OH minus. OH minus. Number of replacement hydroxyl ion in potassium hydroxide is only 1. For the fourth base is calcium hydroxide. What is the molecular formula calcium hydroxide? CaOH twice. The ions formed from calcium hydroxide is Ca2 plus and 2 Ca2 plus and OH minus. How many hydroxyl ion contains in calcium hydroxide? 2. So number of replaceable hydroxyl ion is 2. The last base is aluminum hydroxide. What is the formula of molecular formula of aluminum hydroxide? AlOH tris. The ions formed from aluminum hydroxide is Al3 plus and OH minus. The number of replaceable hydroxyl ion is 3. These are the some bases dissolved in water. You get ionized and replacement of hydroxyl and oxide ions. Oxide ions. Dear students, learn today's topics and note the assignment question. The first question: what is called as neutralization reaction? The last properties is called as neutralization reaction. Answer. The second question: write the uses of acid. Write the uses of acid. This is the answer for uses of acids. Then third question: write the first 3 properties of acid. This is answer for properties of acid. Note the assignment question for your classwork note. Thank you, students.